All right. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. I'm going to go over today a little secret, age-old secret. It's an old-timer method of basically just easy way of removing rust off your gun. So today, there's some gum. I got two muskets here. I don't break them, sweet goodness. I got two nice old school muskets, black powder both, of course. But without further ado, let's get this old timer method started. All right, we're gonna start off with the double barrel today. As you can see, there's already a little bit of rust on each side of the barrels here. This is a buddy's gun, not mine, fortunately, but don't worry, I'm here. Daddy's gonna take care of it.
What he say?
Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and take off the rod here, that way to prevent any sort of scratching or damages to it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some bore cleaner, and I went ahead and bought these little cotton swab rag things at the Dollar Tree. It's a nice little kit, comes with the cotton balls, the Q-tips, and of course this little square cotton swab type deal. So this brush I'm using right here is nothing fancy, it's just a regular brass brush. Anything softer than steel will work, but just don't put too much pressure in it, because the most important part of the brush is the straight portion of the bristles. So if you're bending them, you're just pressing too hard. And again, nothing fancy here. This is just a regular bristle brush, nothing too crazy, just plastic here, but it's a good detailer to get into those little crevices. Now wrapping up, we're just wiping the gun down, making it look good. And as you can see, almost effective immediately. It's already looking a whole lot better. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Why don't you go ahead and check out my channel for more videos of me polishing my long gun. Sometimes my friend.
Oh.